Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fake an aquarium photo using AI. So for instance, you want it to look like you're at an aquarium, which is probably more ethical to use AI. No, I don't actually know the ethics to aquariums and AI. So they're both have their own pros and cons. I was like pros and cons. Anyways, this is a prompt that you'll be using in AI. I will put it in the description box down below as per usual. Get your photo and place it there. Then I'm just going to press submit, and this is what the AI generated image should look like. Just a sec. It's going to take a few seconds to generate, so be patient, y'alls. I swear if you're not patient. Generating image. It doesn't take super long. This is what it should look like. Super cute, but I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!